peaceful state of Plateau. The House is aware that on the 3rd of April 2020, the federal government announced that an 18 team of medical personnel comprising of doctors, nurses, and other medical advisors will arrive the country along with a plane load of additional PPE on the 8th of April 2020. A 15-member team of Chinese medical personnel arrived in the country to share their experiences in fighting COVID-19 pandemic and were received at the Nnamdi International Airport, Abuja, by some government officials, including the Minister of Health. Aware also that the decision to bring in Chinese medical personnel into the country to help the fight against COVID-19 by federal government sparked a lot of controversies from some Nigerians who kicked against the decision, saying that the country has enough doctors and nurses who are able to tackle COVID-19 pandemic. Further aware that in response to the controversies, the Honorable Speaker, Right Honorable Femi Gbajamiara, convened a meeting between the leadership of the House and Minister of Health on 7th April 2020. The Right Honorable Speaker insisted that the medical team must undergo the necessary checks as provided by the NCDC and also go on 14 days isolation before any interface with Nigerians. Further aware that the team arrived in Nigeria on the 8th of April 2020 with a confirmed press statement by the Minister of Health. The Minister of Health said the medical personnel are not guests of the federal government, but CCECC, a construction company. The minister went further to say that I want to explain that first of all, I think not all of them are doctors. And I heard that some of them are technicians, but they are staff of CCECC. The Ministry of Health is not their host, so we cannot always explain what happened to them or their whereabouts. The Minister of Health also noted that there seems to be a lot of interest in the doctors, but they are staff of the company. I'll be very happy if you do not ask me where they are. And further said, as they are unaware of their location of the 15 Chinese nationals who recently came into the country. Notes that following complaints of concerned Nigerian citizens, it is incumbent on us to duly investigate this issue, as it is our duty as lawmakers and as representatives of our constituents. And not only that, the leadership of the House have already put its interest by confirming to Nigerians. So the House resolved to mandate the Minister of Health to give a detailed full status report of activities of the supposed Chinese medical team to the Speaker as agreed during their meeting of 7th April 2020. Mandate the National Assembly House Committee on Health Services, House Committee on Interior, House Committee on National Security and Intelligence, House Committee on Foreign Affairs to investigate the reports of the Chinese medical team, their whereabouts, and who they really are. I so submit, Mr. Speaker.